September is coming to an end, meaning we get to reflect on 10 of our favorite iOS apps to hit the App Store. Without further ado, let's take a look at the first app. Now, the first 3 apps are new and are updated with iOS 11. Apple has finally given us a file manager application called Files. This app will give you access to the files stored on your iPhone. It's extremely simple, and there's basically just a search bar, Recents tab, and Browse tab. You can view what's in a file folder, you can delete content or rearrange and share content. This is definitely much appreciated for the technical users out there who were asking Apple for more control over their device. The App Store has also been updated with a new Today tab that highlights apps and different app categories in big, bold cards. The idea is that the previous App Store was convoluted, messy, and just overwhelmed users. This new design emphasizes a smaller number of apps to try and increase engagement. This new section also showcases interviews with developers and explores various ideas that shape the world. Of course, there's also a new UI with big, bold text and material designed like animations. Although you can be the judge, who does it better, Google or Apple? Last but not least, we'll see that Apple has updated the Notes app. In addition to inviting users to view or make changes to a note and the ability to sketch notes with your finger, you can now scan documents directly from the Notes app, and it actually works extremely well. All you have to do is open a note, tap on the plus icon above the keyboard, and tap on Scan Documents. From there, you just have to hold the camera over a document, and the app will do the rest and scan the document for you. It works extremely well even when you're at an angle or some of the document is missing. The first non-Apple app on the list is Metapho, but it sort of relates to the Files app. In case you're not aware of this, your photos contain metadata, and depending on your location settings, your photos may contain location data for where the photo was captured, and that data you might not want to have out in the public. This metadata can be used by others to locate you. Metapho lets you change the metadata of a photo and export the photo without metadata, so you can safely share it online. OPUS, Rocket of Whispers, is a beautiful adventure game. The premise: travel across a world of ice and snow through burned down ruins and treacherous peaks to launch a rocket that will reach the stars. You play as 2 survivors of an apocalyptic plague and help them achieve the unimaginable of building a rocket, so they can return the deceased to their cosmic homeland through the ancient tradition of space burials. It's emotional, it's exciting, it's artistic, and free to play. Questor app is a lifestyle application that aims to keep your goals in the forefront of your mind, so you stay motivated. It features an animated clock, neat transitions between morning, afternoon, and evening, and it allows you to see how much time is left in the day and year. You can enter your life goals and complete goals to build out your profile. Now, I'm all about making lists and accomplishing goals, checking off things, so this app is right up my alley. Daily Blends goes hand in hand with Questor because if you eat healthy, you feel healthy and more energized to accomplish your goals. When you boot up the app for the first time, you'll see several different categories: energizing, workout, glowing, healing, and so on. Tap on one of those categories and you'll find different smoothies to try. The app will give you clear recipes for each smoothie, and they're presented in a very neat and modern layout. The only con I have is the $3 price. Weather Atlas is one of my favorite new weather apps. On top of the basic 10-day and hourly forecasts, this app provides live weather maps with radar, warnings, and hurricane tracking. I've actually been using the hurricane tracking feature to monitor the situations in the Gulf and Atlantic Ocean. The app is free and it uses National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration weather data. Once Upon a Tower is a game where you escape a tower and fight enemies and avoid obstacles. The animations and cartoons are appealing and the controls are simple and swipe-based. Overall, this is just a fun arcade game to pass the time with. Enlight QuickShot is a powerful photo editing app that just hit the App Store. You can choose from a number of filters that give your photos some extra flair, or you can create your own style and apply it to all of your photos at once without having to apply it to each photo individually. That, in my opinion, is a huge feature. Some of the adjustments include brightness, depth, shadows, tint, hue, vibrance, vignette, and there are some other ones as well. There's also an image correction feature that automatically aligns, straightens, and enhances your photo while you shoot. With that last one, those are 10 of our favorite iOS apps to hit the App Store during the month of September 2017. If you enjoyed this video, a thumbs up would be much appreciated. Maybe subscribe if you're brand new, and let us know which app is your favorite in the comments down below. I'm BoHD from PhoneDog.com. I will see you right back here in the next one. See ya.